Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage the fax settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So here we basically have everything. So in this video, you'll see every single setting for the fax. Now let's go over to menu and select the function settings and go to send, and right here we will have the fax settings. So we're gonna start off with change default settings. Right here we can change the resolution, density, we can enable or disable two-sided original, and we can also increase or decrease the sharpness. What we can also do is we can initialize those settings so they will go back to default. So for example, you see them now, and now let's click on initialize, click yes. And now those settings are back to default. Not only these, but also these settings right here. And now, as you guys can see, here we have an off hook alarm. We can increase or decrease its volume. So here we can do just that, then just click on apply. And after that, what else we have here is we have the ECMTX, we have the set pause time, we have the automatic redial, and in the auto redial we have the setting to use it or not, the number of times to redial, the interval between those redials, and also the redial when error occurs. So here we can change it, then just click apply to save those settings. So let's go over and check the dial tone before send. We can enable it right here, as you guys can see. And now we will have the set line setting. So we can register our unit telephone number, and I entered the random numbers here because I don't have a free phone number right now. And also the unit name is random. And here you guys can select the line time from tone to pulse. So now moving on, we're gonna go, and here we have the TX start speed. We can change those BPSs. Now my setting is at max, but you guys can also lower it to 2400. And now next is the R key setting, the archive TX document, and confirm entered fax number. So it will always confirm the number that you entered for the fax. Also, we have the option to allow fax driver TX, and when the printer's on hook, then we can use the address book. So we can change it right here, and we can always allow or do not allow after numeric keys. Now here let's scroll down, and we are almost at the bottom of the settings. So here we also have the restrict sequential broadcast, register log destination to address book, and here we can allow it or disable it. We have the TX terminal ID, and we also have the auto adjust VoIP communication speed. We can do it all here, we can enable it. As you guys can see, now these settings are configured. And the TX terminal ID, we can change the print position, and we can also mark the number as, and for me it's set as fax, but we can also change it as the telephone number. So that's basically all from the fax settings. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.